Hi everybody, Miss Hayes here for another science experiment. Today's is also very easy. You only need three things. You will need a plate, preferably a white plate. I don't have any that don't have dots on it, so we're going to use this one. You can use a reusable plate, or if you have a styrofoam plate, you can use that as well. Paper plates you can use, but they don't work the best for this. So you're going to need some water. And you are going to need Skittles. I like using the bright side Skittles just because I like the colors of them better, but you can use any Skittles that you want. So the steps are very easy. What you're going to do is you're going to put the Skittles around the outside of your plate in any pattern or design you want to. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to tip my screen down so you can see it. So I'm going to go ahead and put my Skittles out in a pattern around the edge of my plate. And then I will show you what we do next. So I'm going to do a rainbow pattern for my Skittles, but you can do any way you want. You could put all one color in one side and put another color on the other side. You could do any kind of repeating pattern you want, up to you. And what you want to do is you just want to make sure they're on the outside of the plate and they're right next to each other. This part can take a little bit of time, but I promise you that what it does is really cool. So let's see if we can get ours all the way around. And I am going to see if I can fit in one more whole round of colors. Maybe. And they don't have to be perfect, but you do want them in kind of a circle on the edge of your plate. Perfect. All right, so now I have almost. Now I have all of my Skittles out on the plate, so I'm going to slide this over so you guys can see. So once they're in a ring on your plate, what you want to do is you want to carefully pour the water in the middle of the plate until it reaches all the Skittles. You don't want the Skittles to be underwater, but you want it to be about halfway up. So, but before I do that, I want you to make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen when I pour the water in here? What's going to happen to those Skittles? All right, let's see if you're right. So again, you want to make sure the water touches all of the Skittles, maybe goes about halfway up them. All right, that's about halfway up all my Skittles, so we're going to let it sit here and we're going to see what happens. So you can already kind of see what's happening, what the color from the Skittles is coming off of them and moving towards the center of the plate. So what part of the Skittle is making that color, or the water change that color? That's right, the outside of it. And the outside is made of the candy coating, which has sugar in it. And when the water reacts with it, it kind of melts that outer coating. And that's why all the water is turning the different colors of the different Skittles. And if you notice, it keeps going and it's getting closer and closer to the middle of our plate. And eventually they will all meet up in the middle. So the more it sits in the water, the more it dissolves and comes towards the middle of the plate. So you can see it's almost there. It just has a little space left. So one thing you could do at home if you want to try this more than once is, does it move faster if you use hot water or cold water? Does it make a difference? You can also experiment with different patterns of the Skittles. Could also try using different kinds of Skittles. I showed you I use the yellow bag that has the brighter colors, but you could use the Skittles that come in the red bags too and try mixing colors and see what different colors you get and what it looks like. So it looks like to me, all of my colors have now reached the center right here and all come together. So the longer I leave it, the more color will come off the Skittles. And then if you were to move the plate around, it would kind of turn into this yucky, not so nice color because all of those colors are mixing together and it kind of turns into like a dark, gross color. So also, if you notice, when you look at your Skittles, because we only covered them about halfway with water, the tops still have their candy coating on them, but the bottoms, you can tell that it's gone and it looks like just the clear inside part of the candy then. So all that color from the bottom has come off. So this is a fun experiment that you guys can try. Ooh, there it's moving. You guys can try at home. Remember, you just need to line up your Skittles, cover them about halfway with water and let them go. And try that experiment. See, does hot water make it go faster? Does it go slower with cold water? So I hope you guys enjoyed this and are able to try it at home. And I will see you next time.